at, yeah, look at the fa with fatha, read it. Fa fatha sound is what? Fa fatha, fa fatha. Yeah, fa either. No, stretch dal. Fa either. Ja, stretch it because of mad. Fa either ja. Say it fast. Join ta with to. Ta to kasra. Ja'ateto. Ja'ateto. Say it. Ta to kasra. Ja'ateto. Yeah, to is sakin first time after joining with ta, okay? Teto. Now read to alif mim zabar fatha, okay? Say it. To alif mim fatha and make mim sakin after joining with to. How to read? Same like the previous word, the sentence like a previous ta to sod kasra tis you read, okay? Same like that. Read it fast. Yahya. Say louder. Yahya. Ta to kasra teto. To alif mim fatha. To alif mim fatha. To alif mim fatha what? Louder. To alif mim fatha. I'm writing for you. Look at this. To, yeah, tom mim will be sakin first time, okay? This is tom. Now read mim with fatha. Tom ma, good. Tom ma. Then two not. Ta will join with the second line. Here is lam. Tom ma ta lam dhamma. Look at the second line. Tom matul. Tom ma.
Read with me.
Tul. Tom ma ta lam dhamma. Kubray not. Ra will be stretched. Here is standing fatha on ra.